Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Themify theme and icon changer application. Like if you want to change your icon, then you can easily change. Like if you see here, my icon is like this default UI, but if I want to change this in different theme, then you can change through this app theme icon changer. So simply open the app and you will get here the category wise, but the problem is here is a lot of ad in free mode. If you buy the premium, then there will not be any ad, so you have to wait. So you can see the theme is like this, but not every theme is free. So you can choose here, like in like you can choose like a diamond icon. So diamond icon, it means you have to be a premium membership, otherwise you will not use this. But you will also get here many uh, free theme. So for example, if I choose this one, you can see this one. So what you need to do, tap here, simply tap here. So how it looks like, so simply tap here the install. It takes few moments in installing in your device. You can choose a more theme to install in your device. Just wait. So now you can see it's the install set. You have to choose this one. So how it looks like your app like this. So you can see it's different things, like it's a different app you can see. So this way you can change, more app here. Like if I show you, so if I just take it, and this app is like this, but if you use the Themify, like then you can get here install and you will get here more app here changer. So this way you can change the theme, you can use the Themify app. So friend, today's no, see you in the next video.